friends, here we take a system of equation. This system of equation with three unknowns x, y, z. These unknowns we'll find out by using Jacobi iterative method. Here in the question they have mentioned start with the solution, that is nothing but initial approximations. X equal to 2, y equals to 3 and z equals to 0. So initially we have to substitute these approximations for x, y, z, and then we have to start for Jacobi iterative method. Initially we have to verify the given system of equation like this. First, a1 value, this must be largest compared to other coefficient in that equation. Second, diagonal element, this must be largest in that equation compared with other coefficient. Similarly, C3, this element must be largest compared to other coefficients in that equation. If it is there, then we'll put here notation, first equation, second and third one. If it is not, then in that case we have to rearrange the equation. Equation 1 may become 3, 3 become 2, 2 become 1, like this. So we have to rearrange accordingly. Now already this system of equation, it is in proper form. Write down first equation in the form of x is equals to 10 minus, it becomes plus minus z upon 5. Value of y equals to 12 minus 4, 12 minus 2x upon 4. Now here the z coefficient is not there, so coefficient of z, it is 0. 12 minus 2x divided by 4, value of z minus 1 minus x minus y divided by 5. So this become our third value of z. Now we start calculating first approximation, first iteration. First iteration, initially x0 is equals to 2 because they have mentioned in the problem. If it is not, if the initial approximation they have not mentioned or the solution is not mentioned, we'll assume x0 0, y0 0, z0 0. But if they have given, then that value we'll consider and we'll start with that. 10 plus y0 minus z0 upon 5. 10 plus y0 value it is 3, z0 value it is 0 divided by 5. So 13 divided by 5, value it is 2.60. Next, y1, first approximation for y, 12 minus 2 x0, 12 minus 2 into x0 value it is 2 divided by 4, output of first approximation 2 z1 minus x minus x0 minus y0 divided by 5 minus 1, x0 value it is 2 minus y0 value it is 3 divided by 5, output of this minus 1.2. So this completes our first iteration. We'll put this value in the column. First iteration minus of 1.2. We'll continue for second iteration. In that x1 become first value. This value we have to fix for next iteration. We fix these values for complete next iteration of x2, y2 and z2. x2 10 plus y1 minus z1 divided by 5. 10 plus y1 value 2, z1 value it is Later on I will do this calculations like this, minus and this minus become plus, but actually initially write down the actual values. Y1 minus Z1 negative, it is in the bracket value. Now calculate. X2 become 2.64. Y2 12 minus 2x1 divided by 4. X1, so Y2 value 1.7, Z2 equals to minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 minus of X1 2.60 minus of Y1, that is 2 divided by 5. Output of this, it is negative minus 1.12. So this is second iteration. We have the values of x, y, z put in the table format. 1.7 minus 1.12. Then we'll continue our third iteration. Now I need this formula here. Third iteration, x2 value, will initially write down this x2, y2, and this x3 become 10 plus y2 minus of z2 upon 5. Now in this you substitute your value of y2, 1.7 minus z2. Y2 value, it is 1.7 minus of z2 upon 5. Output of this first 2.564. Y3 12 minus 2x2 divided by 4. Substitute your x2 value, then y3 become 1.68. Z3 third value formula, minus 1 minus x2 minus of y2 divided by 5. Substitute actual value of x2 y2 here, x2 y2, then this is our third iteration. Put this value of third iteration in the table. 2.564 1.68 minus 1.068. Next, fourth iteration, x3. First write down these values, x3, y3, z3. These values we have to fix for the fourth iteration. Then x4 become fourth approximation value, 10 plus, instead of writing y2, y3 here, I am directly putting this value 1.68 minus z value. This value we have to substitute upon 5. Output of this 2.5496. Y4 12 minus 2 x value, this divided by 4. Output of this 1.718. Z4 minus 1 minus of x3 minus of y3 divided by 5. But I am not written here value of 5. Minus 1 minus x value 2.564 minus y value 1.68 divided by 5. output of this minus 1.0488. So these are the values of fourth iteration, fourth approximate value of x, value of y, value of z. We'll write in the table 2.5496, 1.718 minus 1.0488. The last value which we got in the table, we'll write down that values as value of x is equals to 2.5496, value of z these are nothing but unknown values x, y, z by using the Jacobi iterative method. The last column values will declare these are nothing but approximate values of x, y, z. Thank you.